हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज पूर्णिमा। एमबीबीएस अब्रॉड के बारे में या फिर एमबीबीएस अब्रॉड का नाम आते ही काफी सारे पेरेंट्स इनसिक्योर हो जाते हैं। उनके दिमाग में काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं अब्रॉड की पढ़ाई को लेकर के, वहाँ की सेफ्टी को लेकर के, स्पेशली गर्ल सेफ्टी को लेकर के, और वहाँ की सबसे बड़ी चीज वहाँ का वेदर क्या है। तो आज मैं आप सभी के वही डाउट्स को दूर करना चाहती हूँ। और आज मैंने अपने साथ बेलारूस की दो गर्ल्स को इनवाइट किया है, विदेश स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी की दो गर्ल्स जिन्होंने लास्ट ईयर हमारे थ्रू एडमिशन लिया था। तो आज वो सारे क्वेश्चंस मैं उनसे करूंगी, सो प्लीज बी विद मी। Okay, so I have two girls from Videsh State Medical University, Belarus. One Jagriti Shukla and Hepzibah Parthiban. So first of all, I would like to tell you guys that Hepzibah is from Coimbatore, from South. So I have to talk to her in English only because she doesn't know how to speak Hindi. And Jagriti के साथ हम लोग हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं because जागृति पुणे से है और जागृति हिंदी में भी बात करती हैं। Okay, so guys, first of all, Hepzibah, you tell me about your university and how do you find it about the studies and how is it going?
Yeah, university is fine here. In the beginning, we had little bit tough because the language here is Russian, so we couldn't understand anything. But after we are going for Russian classes daily, so little bit it is improved, and now we can understand local language in the supermarket and everywhere. In university, the teachers used to talk in English only maximum. They can understand us, and teaching is very good. We are in groups, so they will concentrate more in our studies. It is not like bunch of students and they will not concentrate on us. It is not like that. We are just 10 people in a group and they will concentrate more on us,
Okay,
so
so
we should study, of course.
all the 10 students are Indian students, or you have a group with international mixed international students as well?
No, no, it is like some groups are mixed and some groups are like only of single nationality like that. We
Oh,
are of only Indians. Like our group is full of Indians.
okay, and
So
about your like subjects will be taught in English only, or it's a mix like they'll teach in Russian medium
yeah,
as well?
no, no. Except Russian, everything is in English.
Okay.
Russian will teach good. It will go step by step, so we can understand everything from the basics. So in 1 year, we can understand little bit of Russian, like basic things. So
Okay.
no problem, we can study Russian. It is not that hard.
Okay.
And other subjects, anatomy is important, and the rest all things are easy. We can cover up.
Okay, okay, okay. So slowly and gradually you're learning Russian language and you find it easy.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, 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 okay. And what about the faculties? Like, are they easily communicable in English? Like, they are easy to speak in English, or like they
Yeah,
find
they are
it
easy to
hard to
speak in
speak in
English.
English?
Some people will not understand English, but they can they will try to understand. They will not hesitate us. So there will be some people who understands English. If they are not understanding, also they will ask to those teachers what they are telling like this, and they will respond also. So they will not ignore. Like if they don't understand, also they will not ignore. They will try to understand. Most of the people here will understand English, like how we are talking. Basically, they will understand. So they will help us. It is not
That's
hard.
a very, very good thing about it. Like,
Yeah.
Epsiba, just tell me, like, how many subjects you have studied so far? Like, you have completed 2 semesters, right?
Yeah.
So, how many subjects
Uh,
they have covered in first year?
mm,
Like,
First
about
year,
the main subjects, what you have covered?
chemistry, physics, anatomy, Russian, Latin, and basic medical care. Like some practical classes will be there.
Okay.
So
So, you
main
go to hospital also for the practical, the clinicals.
yeah, yeah. We went to hospital for basic things. First aid and for basic medical care also we went for hospital. They will teach us the basic things like in the first year.
Okay.
So anatomy is the main thing.
Okay. So, how they're teaching anatomy? How is it?
Anatomy is very good. Like we have cadavers also here. and we have natural preparations also, so we can take it and we can study whenever we want. It is not like in one of the classes you can study, or not like that. We can take it whenever we want and we can study. They will give a student card here, so just that identity card you should give and you can get whatever you want and you can study. There are museums also, so they will teach very good. Like, since there are few people in the group, they will concentrate more, and they will they will get us know everything. We can't like skip anything. We should study everything like that. So
It's a really a
it is,
very good thing, like if they are giving you real cadavers, because in countries like Russia or in any other neighboring countries, the students are not having the real cadavers because they are practicing
yeah.
on the the dummies only. They're not getting the
Mm,
cadavers. So they are lacking somewhere in the clinical exposure. So it's a very good thing about this university that you are, at least you are having the real cadavers, and you guys are having clinical starting from the first year itself. Because other universities,
mm,
like I have heard about the Belarusian state or other universities in Belarus, they are not giving clinicals starting from the first year.
yeah.
Okay.
So we get from the first year, like in the beginning itself, we
Third
got
month.
from the third month. No, from the second month itself, we got cadaver like that. So, like in the basic things itself, we will study in the
It's
cadavers only.
important to show in cadaver.
Yeah, and in the examination also, you should show in the cadaver only. Like you will study very well, and you will know
You
all the
can't show
things
on
in
the
that
charts.
cadaver.
ओके,
So
जागृति
it,
कुछ बोल रही है पीछे से. जागृति क्या बोल रहे
नहीं,
हो? हाय.
I was telling that in exams and all this, like we should only show on the cadavers. We can't show on the
जागृति
chart.
आप हिंदी में बात करो, मैं हेप्सिबा से इंग्लिश में बात करूंगी, वो बहुत है.
मैं बोल रही थी हमारे ग्रुप में बस 10 बच्चे हैं, तो फिर 10 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो फिर मैम का कंसंट्रेशन बहुत ज्यादा होता है क्योंकि लाइक मिनिमम नंबर लाइक मैक्सिमम वुड बी ओनली 10, नॉट मोर देन दैट. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट इज एनाटॉमी, और उसके बाद जियोलॉजी एंड बायो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री.
ओके. सो जागृति, आपने लास्ट ईयर, जैसा कि नीट का एग्जामिशन दिया गया था, आपने नीट नहीं अपियर हुए थे आप लास्ट ईयर, तो आपने एमबीबीएस के लिए एडमिशन ले लिया था यूनिवर्सिटी में बेलारूस के अंदर. तो अभी आप प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, आपका क्या प्लान है नीट को लेके? आप इस साल नीट में अपियर होने वाले हो?
या
आप नीट में अपियर हो रहे हो, तो प्रिपरेशन कैसी चल रही है आपकी नीट की?
अभी वेकेशन स्टार्ट हुए तो फिर अभी स्टार्ट करूंगी प्रिपरेशन.
अच्छा, आपके सेकंड सेमेस्टर के एग्जाम्स अभी ओवर हुए हैं?
यस,
Okay.
we all passed, like
You all,
सब pass
you all,
हो गए.
you all passed. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, आपका फिर second year कब से शुरू हो रहा है after vacations?
September.
September first week.
Okay, so you will have approximately July and August for holidays.
Vacation, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, तो आप कुछ बताओ यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में, आपको कैसा लगा यहाँ की पढ़ाई एंड ऑल?
एजुकेशन बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि लाइक वी ओनली गेट द रियल कैडेवर्स. बाकी सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज में रियल कैडेवर्स नहीं मिलते जल्दी, स्पेशली इन इंडिया. वी शुड ओनली शो ऑन द चार्ट्स एंड ऑल दिस, पर यहाँ कंपलसरी है कि सब कुछ कैडेवर्स में दिखाया जाए. एंड देन
हॉस्पिटल एक्सपोजर कैसा लगा आपको, जो स्टार्टिंग में आपको हॉस्पिटल्स में एक्सपोजर मिला?
हॉस्पिटल सेकंड सेमेस्टर, फ्रॉम सेकंड सेमेस्टर वी वेंट टू द हॉस्पिटल. लाइक फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में हॉस्पिटल नहीं था, तो फिर सेकंड सेमेस्टर में हॉस्पिटल था ओनली फॉर द फर्स्ट एड क्लास एंड बेसिक मेडिकल केयर क्लास. So first aid class में all about bandages, and basic medical was all about measuring BP, checking heartbeats and all.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so now how about the weather? You guys enjoying?
Weather
is very good.
weather is good. Like in summer it is good. In winter it is hard for us because it was new for us now. It was full of snow and
So there was a
like
snowfall, heavy winters were there.
yeah. Now it is good comparatively. Like
So
now
how
it
do
is
you manage? How did you manage the weather?
in winter.
Yeah.
In winter it was full of jackets. Like it was a jacket life. Without jacket you can't go outside.
And inside your
You,
hostel there are heaters or something like that?
heaters.
Hostels have heaters.
Inside it is very good. Inside hostel, no need of worrying about anything. It is very perfect.
University
in
is
summer,
also
they will
like
also-
covered with heaters and everything.
Yeah, university will also have, but still, like it is an open place. Since it's an open place, like little bit it will be cold in winter, but it's okay. We'll wear winter
Now
clothes
it's
and all
okay.
this.
Okay, okay. Because you
Yeah.
are from South and you know, you don't
Yeah.
live in
It
a
is
summer
very hard.
environment. So that's why I have asked this thing for you. Acha, what about the COVID situation? Like, how is COVID over there? Is everything normal or like cases are
Yeah,
rising?
it is very normal.
It's very normal.
We haven't find any cases like since students are coming from abroad, they will have maybe possibilities there, but no people, local people are not having COVID here, I think so.
They are not
Nobody.
even wearing
Yeah.
the mask.
Okay, so for those students who have come from the who come from the foreign countries, they must be quarantined over there, no? Before joining the class.
Yeah, they will be quarantined for 1 week or 15 days, and then they will be tested COVID, and then they will be admitted into the university.
Okay.
PCR test, if it comes positive, then they should be quarantined again, I think.
In the hostel.
Okay, and
Yeah, in the
after
hospital only.
okay, so after you reach Belarus, so are you like were you having the offline classes or is from the beginning also from the
No,
beginning
no,
already you were
online
started
classes.
offline?
Offline only we were.
Yeah. In the
Offline.
beginning itself, offline classes. Yeah.
The beginning itself you
After
started
quarantine,
your offline classes.
yeah, after coming here, after 2 weeks, we went to university because we had 1 week quarantine and the PCR test and all those medical checkup fully. We have everything. So after that, we went to university. From that, our classes.
Okay, and what about the Indian food? Is it easily available in the grocery shops or not? Not available.
No,
Not
no,
at all.
it is bit costlier here.
Okay,
The
food is
masalas and
bit
everything.
costly.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So, but it's okay if it's costly, but is it available there or not? Or it's hard to get the Indian food?
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
spices and everything we can get. Like we can prepare if we want. We can get the things here.
Mm-hmm.
But Indian restaurant, only one restaurant recently they have opened.
one Indian restaurant.
But no, nothing else like Indian. So,
Okay, okay. So
spices we will get it. It's
restaurants and all
costly.
are
Yeah.
closed now. Due to COVID, they are closed or some other
No,
reasons?
no, only one Indian restaurant is there. That also they opened 2 weeks before only. So
Okay, so you have to go out to the market and you have to bring your stuff, food
yeah,
stuff.
yeah. In our hostel, opposite to us, there is a supermarket, and 5 minutes if we walk, there is another supermarket, so we can get all the things over here. Market is little bit far from here, but from there only we'll get Indian spices and everything.
Okay, so you
So,
have to bring it like for a month.
yeah. Grocery, that supermarket is near, so we can get essential things so easily. If we cross the road, it is supermarket, so no problem.
Okay. Okay, so Hepzibah, any other things you would like to share for the students who are going to join for this year? Any message or any
Uh,
special thing you would like to share?
bring like cooking they should bring things from India like
Spices.
cooker, pressure cooker and everything. It is not available here, so spices and especially those things because Indian food is not available here. We should cook by ourselves, so we need all the things to cook and everything. So other than that, safety is very good here. Like we can go out at any time, even at night also, midnight also we can go out. It is very safe here, and like people are friendly here. They will help. They are helpful. So no problem. Local people are good.
Even local people can communicate in English, or they find it difficult to
No,
speak
no, no, no,
English?
no. They don't know English. Most of the people, very rarely they will know English. They knows only Russian. But after going to university, we studied little bit, like
You know the
conversing.
basics of
From
Russian
that
language so
conversation,
that you
we can
can,
understand that, yeah,
yeah, the
or else
basics
we
of
can use
Russian.
translator also. They will understand from the translator. So it is
Okay,
not
okay.
hard. Yeah. So it's okay. They will help. And then like university is also good. Teachers are helpful. Studies, we should study, of course. The system is very different from India. So like in India, it is just it will be like semester exams. So once in a while they will have exams. Here we have control and everything. So we should complete like 2 week once we'll have control. We should complete that control, then only we can move to the next, like that. It is step by step. We should clear it off. If we are not clearing, if we are failing in that, we should pay, we should take permission, and then again we should rework it. So
So
like
approximately how many times in a semester you have to give the examinations or tests?
controls, it will be two or three
Maximum.
controls, like maximum for a semester.
Controls as in
Yeah,
test you have to give.
part wise. Like after two topics, there will be a control like that.
Okay.
Uh, yeah. In anatomy, just we have to show all the parts and we should tell the Latin names and everything. So like passing is easy only, but we should study like that. And then we should be disciplined to the teachers. Everything like that. It is.
So
And attendance is very important. We can't.
apart from this, how about this place for girls? For girls' safety, how is it?
Safety is very good. Like they will not trouble in any ways. Like we are so safe. That only. Like even in midnight, you can go outside. People will help. No problem. Like we haven't faced any issues like something. So they are safety only.
Okay, fine. Oh, so this is your hostel room.
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice.
Don't tell us the show. So
Okay.
yeah, the rooms are good. Like it's okay, we can manage.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Our hostel is little bit far from uni. It is like 2 kilometers apart.
How many
But there
hostels
is
are there?
there are
How many
hostels.
university hostels are
There
there?
are eight I think.
Right, right.
Eight hostels are there.
And how many are near to the university?
Nearby it is three or four. Four, na?
3, 4
Four
hostels.
hostels are nearby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So no
So
problem. We are adapted.
you are in hostel number?
One.
You are in hostel number 1. So you have to travel through bus from your hostel.
From bus also we can take taxi also. It's available. So it
Okay.
depends.
And for the hostel, the accommodation per month, you are paying the rent or year-wise you have to pay?
No, per month we can like per year also we can pay. I think so.
You
But
can
we
pay
are
per
paying
year
per
also,
month
you can
only.
pay by
But
month
because
also.
it differs, yeah, it differs each and every month. Like if they off the heaters, it will be little less. If they on the heaters, it will be little more bit expensive.
So
Like that.
as per your electricity consumption, the bill goes like
Yeah.
according to your electricity consumption
So it
only.
depends on each and every month. It is not a constant thing. It depends on every month. So
Okay. Okay. But anyways, it is cheap. Like as you said, it's around $300 or $350 per year.
yeah.
So it's a very cheap as compared to any other country, like even in
Yeah.
Russia and Georgia or any other country.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think that's it. Okay. So are you guys now going to India as you have completed the
Yeah, we are
semester exams?
coming.
Okay.
We are completed with everything. So tomorrow some people are going. In our group, 4 people are going tomorrow. So
And how
like
about others?
we are traveling.
Where are other students?
They are busy in shopping since they are going tomorrow. So they have to do PCR test also, and they should take exit visa also. So they have procedures to go out. So they are busy with that.
Mm-hmm. I think you should also start preparing your things for your travel.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, you should take PCR test and all those things.
Yeah. Okay, Ipsiba, I'll catch you later. Okay. So
Yeah,
just
sure.
be in touch with me. I'll connect you once more
Yeah, sure thing.
after some time. Okay. And Jagrati, bye to you also. Bye bye. Take care. Okay. And do well in your exams.
Thank
Do well
you.
in NEET also.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.